Today's special news, February 7, 2025. VSK Business Consultant is focusing on Chennai's construction industry. We are talking about how it's shaping the city and the exciting things on the horizon. But first, let's talk about how the recent cyclone has impacted the industry. Chennai's construction industry is absolutely booming right now. Places like T Nagar, OMR, and Velachery are seeing major transformations with new shopping malls, IT parks, and residential complexes popping up everywhere. This growth is great for the economy, but the recent cyclone has thrown a wrench into things. The damage to infrastructure, especially in coastal areas like Besant Nagar and Adyar, has been massive. Roads, bridges, and buildings were badly damaged, and it's going to take a huge effort to get everything fixed. This kind of destruction always puts a strain on the construction industry. First off, the price of raw materials like steel and cement has gone through the roof because of increased demand. This makes building projects even more expensive than they already were, and it's likely to cause delays. It's a domino effect. When the cost of building goes up, it trickles down to everyone involved. Another big problem is the rising cost of rent. Both residential and commercial rents are skyrocketing, making it tough for people to find affordable places to live and work. This puts extra pressure on the whole city and could drive property values even higher. It's a vicious cycle. As the city gets more crowded, housing gets more expensive, and that makes it harder for people to stay here. The cyclone also damaged a lot of homes, so there's going to be increased demand for repairs and rebuilding. This could put even more strain on the construction industry's resources, especially in the short term. And with so many people needing repairs, contractors might have to raise their prices, which adds to the financial burden. To make matters worse, getting loans for construction projects is going to be even tougher now. Banks are more cautious about lending money after a disaster like this. They'll be worried about whether people will be able to pay the money back, especially with the economy being so unstable. Homeowners and businesses are going to have a hard time getting the money they need to rebuild. On top of that, insurance claims for property damage are going to flood the system. Insurance companies are going to be overwhelmed with claims, and it could take months or even years to get everything sorted out. Some people might not get the full amount they need to cover the damage, which could leave them in a really tough spot. Despite all these challenges, the construction industry in Chennai is resilient. Companies in places like Perungudi and Ambattur are already working hard to repair the damage and get new projects going again. But it's going to take a lot of time and effort to fully recover from the cyclone. The silver lining here is that rebuilding efforts will create jobs and stimulate the economy. Plus, there's always the chance to build back better with more sustainable and resilient designs. It's a chance to make Chennai an even stronger and more vibrant city. And that's a wrap on today's news. For more on Chennai's construction industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram.